Okay, my name is Olanrewaju A. I reside in Surulere, Lagos State. I'm an accountant by profession. Before I start using Solynta PayGo, I was running on my power on a generator. So I got a contact on the social media through which I was able to talk to somebody that works with Solynta, and that was how it all started. I must be honest, the experience has been wonderful. Before now, it's always generator with the noise, and when there's no fuel, you understand you have to sleep with the heat in Lagos, so to say. But with the introduction of Solynta PayGo, the whole thing has changed, and life with Solynta has been totally different. There is no noise of any form of generator. I run my power 24 hours. As far as there's sunlight, I have power, and I can watch my football, do my stuff, work at home, and I won't have any form of power shortage. They have an online platform where you pay, and once you pay, you confirm your token immediately. So it's so seamless and it's so easy to do.